In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Ticketmaster error code U533 new 5 minutes. If you're seeing the U533 error when trying to browse events or check out on Ticketmaster, it usually points to a problem with the session data your browser is holding onto, things like cookies and site information that help Ticketmaster verify your device. When that data gets outdated or corrupted, you can hit roadblocks like U533. The quickest, most reliable fix is to clear the cookies your browser has saved, then reload the page. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that. Start by opening your browser. This process looks very similar on Chrome, Edge, Brave, and most modern browsers. You'll use the main menu to access the settings where privacy tools live. Next, open the menu in the top right corner of your browser window. It's the icon with 3 dots or lines depending on your browser. This reveals the controls for your browser, including settings you don't see on the main screen. From that menu, choose Settings or Preferences. This is where your browser keeps everything from appearance to security. We're heading to the area that manages what your browser stores about the sites you visit. Find the section called Privacy and Security. This is where you can control cookies, site data, and cached files. We're going to use the built-in tool to remove the data that's likely triggering the U533 error. Open the option that says Clear Browsing Data or Delete Browsing Data. A pop-up or page will appear with several checkboxes and in most cases a time range. Don't worry, we'll keep this targeted. Make sure cookies and other site data is selected. This is the key item that resets your Ticketmaster session and removes the problematic data. You can leave other items like browsing history or cached images unchecked if you want to minimize changes. If you see a time range, pick a range that covers your recent Ticketmaster activity. Choosing all time is the most thorough. Confirm by selecting delete data or clear data. Your browser may prompt you to proceed, accept that. This will sign you out of most sites, including Ticketmaster, which is expected. Now return to your Ticketmaster tab and refresh the page. If you had the site open earlier, a fresh reload ensures the new clean session takes effect. Sign back in and try your action again. In most cases, the U533 error disappears immediately. That's it. By clearing cookies and site data, you've reset the session conditions Ticketmaster relies on, removing the common cause of U533 and getting you back to browsing and buying without interruptions.